Hey there, Sanko, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. This is a cautionary video, and I think you should watch till the end for sure, because I'm going to tell you guys about new scams that are going on with crypto and the crypto market. Watch out for these. Protect yourself and your family. Without any further ado, let's get this video started. Alright, so I've talked to you guys about some scams in the past. We're talking about, pump and dump scams and these messages you get. There's a little bit of new things that have just came out. And while people around me were going through these scams, and may Allah bless them, that they called me up and said, Ahmed, oh, there's this person and this and that. And I just want to ask you, what do you think? And then I kind of worked them out through the whole process. And these people were very smart at how they were doing the whole process, so it doesn't look like a scam. And so one of this is these companies, get these accounts made and put up these pretty pictures of sisters, and then they'll message you. And it's not just messages like in regards to this random person. No, it's messages that can align with who you are, right? It's like first the message is something like, and I'll put up screenshots here, you guys can see them. Are you looking for a job? Or if you're Muslim, then Assalamu alaikum, how are you doing? Right, and stuff like that. Or B, if you're an immigrant, kind of align the whole immigrant aspect all with it. And then they'll be like, oh, I have this opportunity, I've made this, and then they send you these screenshots of them making, $7,000, $5,000, $3,000 a month. Now imagine $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 USDT a month. So you get enticed and you're like, oh, this sounds exciting. And then you're like getting this conversation, and then they send you this link. Okay, and this link is like, you make an account, you register to it. The first few days, so this is called hook and reel, right? So they've hooked you in, and how they're hooking you in is that the first few days, oh, you're making more money. Okay, and then you can actually extract that money out into a wallet, a non-custodial wallet. I might even send you guys screenshots of that, or a custodial wallet, whatever. You put in a wallet address for USDT, TRC20, or EBEP20, whatever, right? And then they pay you out. And then all of a sudden there's a negative balance in your wallet. You're like, why is there a negative balance? Who has a negative balance? How can I have a negative balance? Then they ask you to reach out to their service line or service telegram, right? Support telegram, and then you message them, oh, you have a negative balance, but this is a good thing, because now when you load up, it's like a 2x thing. So then you have to throw in money into a wallet address that they give you, right? The same money that they give you. And they might not charge you as much. They might just charge you, let's say if they gave you $100 in 2 days, they might ask you for $80, right? So boom, okay. Then you keep doing it again. You feel like, okay, you're again $20, $30, $40. Now let's say you made $20 technically because you gave back 80, got 100. It's 5 days later, or let's say 10 days later. I'm gonna make a scenario here. As a whole, you made like $200 because you kind of given the back and forth. Now all of a sudden, the negative balance is like 800. Why is there a negative balance of 800 or 900? But what you've actually made is like $200 or $300, and so you're like 800. Like, okay, fine. You know what? Before they also had a negative balance, but when I gave in, it came back. And they make it into this game where you're clicking buttons and you're doing reviews and you're clicking buttons. You have to click buttons because this button apparently does automatic algorithms and helps you fill up forms or something. Doesn't matter what you do. I mean, they just want you to do some type of game, so it looks like you're getting paid for that game, or you're getting paid for that task. So now you have a negative 800 or a negative $1,000 balance, and now you send in that $1,000, and then guess what? You ain't making that money back. For them, it's an easy 800, easy 600, easy $700. It's gone. Good luck finding this person, because this person technically, you can give this number to the police. You can give this number was made as a fake number using Google numbers or some random online numbers system, and the email is from someone who's all the way in China or something, but yeah, or all the way in Nigeria or something, or somewhere in like India or something, but they have an account or a number that's American, because you can buy a number that's American or Canadian for like $2. So be very cautious of this stuff. All right, the second one I want to talk about is this AI based, because we're advancing. You can't just scam for nothing. Scamming has improved over time. Remember, an idiot cannot cheat. An idiot cannot scam somebody. So whoever's scamming is also smart. And trust me, I've been on a call with these guys. Sometimes I get bored. So when they call, I get on a call with them and I'm just having fun, seeing how far and they're very smart at sales. Sometimes on text, I get WhatsApp messages all the time or Telegram messages all the time. I don't know who gave my number. Whoever gave my number, I'm gonna bless you and I'll give you the highest place in Jannah. So anywho, so this one AI is that where they find out whoever your relative is, they put that face, that imagery on this AI tool, this AI tool looks like it's a real person, and they give you a voice call or face call. With that voice and video, you think it's like your own family friend, like it's a cousin or something, and they say, "Oh, I need $800 right now. Could you send it to me?" Either they give you a bank account, or they send you a wire address, or they send you a crypto wallet address, and you just send them the money because it's your family. Sometimes it's just simple as, "Oh man, I just need $200. I'll give it to you as soon as we meet up," or something like that. Or it'll be something severe like, "I don't know what's going on. I really need this $1,000. I have to pay this bills. I look at this bill. I have like this $1,000 bill, and if I'm late, I don't know what's gonna happen. They might kick me out of the house. Blah 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 blah." And then you just think, "Okay, you know what? Don't worry. You can give it back to me in 2 months. Here's the money." So when you meet them after 2 months, they look at you and they're like, "Well, when are you gonna return this $2,000?" But you're like, "What are you talking about? I never took $2,000 from you." And like, "No, I got a face call." I'm like, "Who was this call? What was this all about?" And then they show you, and like, "That wasn't me." And I look at my account, I never got $1,000, $2,000 from you. I don't know who you sent it to, because that wasn't me. And then it's an AI scam, and this has already happened. Channel, you can look it up. AI scam channel, where I think somewhere around like a few $100,000 was stolen. So imagine, watch out for that. Just to summarize, in general, if somebody's messaging you and they're keeping their identity anonymous, that's a big red flag. You have to use your common sense and look for red flags. So, and if they send you a link that you need to join, put that link on, Scam Finder or something. You can just Google scam link check, and just put it into those link checks, and they'll tell you this link was created a month ago. This app was made like 2 months ago. Like, it has no reviews. No one's using this. Why on earth would you want to get involved with that, right? So look for those red flags and determine, if what's happening around me, is it legit, is it not legit? And majority of the time, I'll be honest with you, it's not legit. Because, for example, if you're gonna look for a job and you're looking for a way to make money, the person that's asking you to work for them, they would want to interview you, right? They would want to interview who you are. Plus, they'll send you details, a lot of documentation in regards to who you are and what you're gonna do, and blah blah blah. And then on top of that, they'll be coming face to face, right? They would want to talk to you. There will be like more video calls and all that stuff. And if someone's not doing all that stuff, it's just not meant to be. And on top of that, if someone's asking you to front money so you can make more money after, I just suggest that you say, "Sayonara, Salamu alaikum, ya sister, ya habibi, ya auntie, I don't know who you are, ya uncle, no, it's not working out with me. I will not do this. May Allah give you haya and hadaya, and you should go and do umrah and hajj, and ask for forgiveness." I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if someone's tried to scam you. Let me know in the comments, and then inshallah, I'll let you know what my opinions are. Check me out on my other social media stuff, and as always, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.